Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have a 3D for design in Adobe Illustrator and we will know how to make a design like this. So let's start. To make a design like this, I should have one color and another one light. First I will make an background like this and choose no stroke, and with fill choose gradient. And now I will select the dark one and the light one. With gradient tool I will make it from up to down, and now I will make text box and write any letter and increase the size like 500. And now create outlines and make only stroke, and with direct selection tool delete the inside shape, and now select the letter again, make ungroup and release component path. And now I will make two circles 80 and 80 for width and height, and now choose only fill and choose gradient. Now I will select the other colors, and with Alt button make another copy and select two circles, and from object menu choose blend and make. Now with blend tool choose specific distance and choose like 1.5, click on preview and OK. And now I will make another copy from it, select one of them and the letter, and from object menu blend choose replace pane. Go back, and first you should cut from here with scissor tool, and now select again the two shapes and make replace spine like this. And now with pen tool I will make the tail like this, and select the other circles and make replace spine. And now with direct selection tool select only one circle and make width 10 and the height only 10, and select the another circle and make it like 50 in the width and the height. I can rotate it like this, and make arrange and bring the letter forward like this. And now make another circle with 10 width and height, and make an rectangle or triangle like this, and select the two shapes from object menu, make blend, and from here choose specified steps like 30, and with direct selection tool select only circle and move it like this. And now move it here, and with Ctrl Y you can adjust it like this. Ctrl Y again, and I can move it like this. And now make another triangles and take another copy, and now put it here and another one here, and make the letter bring forward or bring to front. Now select the letter and the tail, and from effect menu choose distort and loosen. Now click on preview. You can increase the size like 20 and increase the tail like 60. That is good. And now select triangles and make loosen, preview, decrease the size and increase the detail like this. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.